Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove your Google account from your phone or Android phone. So guys, let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Android phone. So guys, here on my Android phone, and so in order to remove Google account, there is a many way, but I am going to show you the simple way. Okay, so just go to the setting of your Android phone, and now you have to find accounts from here. Just click on accounts, or you can see all your accounts, Gmail account. Okay, so click the Gmail account which you want to remove, so just click on it and just click on remove, so account will be removed from here. Okay, so if you don't find, if you're not unable to find accounts option here, you can search from here. Okay, click on accounts and search, then account option will be come here. Okay, so you can see this account, you can go in Google account. Okay, so just click on account and same process you can follow. So if you are unable to find account option in your phone, so there is another option. uh, Go to your Gmail application and click on your profile photo. After that you will see your all Gmail account if you have one only, so you will see here, and just scroll down and you can see the option manage account on this device. Just click on it, then your all Google account will be appear here. Just click which the click on account which you want to delete or remove. Just click on it and you can remove from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for